Okay, class. So now who are we meeting here? Zeba. So Zeba seeks perfection. How? By following the process and the method. Okay, there are two words here: focus, process, and method. Now let us see two instances from her life. In the very first picture, what do you see? Now you can see a microscope and oh, there are some test tubes. So where do you think she is? Lab? Which lab? Science lab. What is she doing in the lab? Experiments, of course. Okay. Zeba is doing her science experiments and she is following each step that has been taught to her. And she's thinking that she has to be very careful while handling those chemicals and nothing should drop on the table. Okay. And why do you think she is so careful and concerned? Oh, it can be an accident अगर कुछ step miss होता है तो अच्छा, what about the results? She'll not get them. Fine. And oh, she can also get scolded by the teacher. Hmm. And she'll have to redo. But by following each of these steps, what do you think will happen at the end? Oh, she'll get a perfect result. Fine. Okay. And she will also be very, very focused. Fine. Also, a lot of focus is required. So that is one instance. Let's now move to the next one. What is she holding? A tap. Okay. So the situation is that there are some guests who are coming over and Zeba को in charge बनाया गया है, and to take care of the guest she has actually made a checklist. Now what do you think the checklist has? List of works that are going to get done. And how is she maintaining that checklist? Oh, whenever a thing is done, she will just put a right mark. Okay. And how do you think it's going to help her? Hmm? सारे काम टाइम से हो जाएंगे एंड जब गेस्ट्स आएंगे हाउ विल दे फील? ओ दे विल फील एट होम एंड what do you think she will gain out of all this? A lot of appreciation, blessings. Fine. And when the guests will go back, oh, she will also get a lot of oh, Nick, the pesa. Okay, probably she'll get a lot of envelopes. Fine. Now how do you think this checklist will actually help her? Hmm? Oh, she will not miss anything. She'll not forget also. Okay. Oh, if anything is missed out, she can quickly get it done. Fine. So there are some very simple ways in which we can just be very, very focused and very meticulous about our work, right? So it's not just Zeba. We all can also follow process, follow method, and seek perfection. Okay? So do you think there are some places or there are some activities in your life also where you can also seek perfection?